Are you running a Facebook page but struggling with engagement? What if I tell you, linking your Instagram and WhatsApp accounts to your page can skyrocket reach, audience interactions, and even lead generation? Today, I'll show you the official method to connect your Instagram and WhatsApp accounts to your Facebook page step by step. Let's dive in. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, the channel where normal users turn into smart social media creators. If you manage Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, business communication via WhatsApp, then connected profiles are your secret weapon. Once set up, cross-post content seamlessly, receive messages in one place, improve analytics visibility, grow your audience faster. Let's set it up properly. Step 1. Open Facebook menu. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the menu three-dot icon. Scroll down and click on Pages. Step 2. Select your page. Choose the Facebook page you want to connect Instagram or WhatsApp with. Open that page. Step 3. Open page settings. Tap on the page menu, three-dot icon. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Step 4. Go to Page Setup. Scroll down and tap Audience and Visibility. Then press Page Setup. Before we begin, subscribe to PreyoPhonie for Facebook growth hacks, Instagram plus WhatsApp optimization, monetization strategies, social media tools, tutorials. Now let's link your accounts. Step-by-step process. Step 5. Tap Connected Profile. Now select Connected Profile. This is where Facebook allows you to link accounts. Step 6. Connect Instagram. Tap Instagram. Select your Instagram account or log in if not already connected. Press Connect Account. Then tap Continue. Step 7. Connect WhatsApp. Next, select WhatsApp. Enter your WhatsApp number. Facebook will send a verification code to WhatsApp. Enter the code, then press Confirm. Boom! Your page is now fully connected to Instagram and WhatsApp. Connected profile benefits. After linking accounts, cross-post content directly to Instagram. Receive Instagram plus WhatsApp messages in one inbox. Boost audience engagement. Faster business communication. Easy management of all social media from Facebook. Professional page experience. This setup makes your page look professional and credible. Important pro tips. After connecting accounts, regularly check messages from Instagram and WhatsApp. Use auto-responses for WhatsApp. Post simultaneously on Instagram plus Facebook for max reach. Monitor analytics to see growth. This ensures every post and message counts. Now you know exactly how to link Instagram and WhatsApp to your Facebook page using the latest Facebook update. Remember, social media growth isn't just posting. It's about connecting all your platforms strategically. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, share with other creators. Subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't just manage pages. We unlock professional growth